I need to make a tong that can withstand having more pressure applied to the handles than a forging tong. If a forging tong holds well, you shouldn't have to apply much pressure at all. But this tong is not for forging, it's for a packaging company that needs to remove jams from machinery. I made this company a couple of prototype tongs, but they bent almost immediately from the tremendous amount of pressure that they need to apply. So I'm having another go and trying to remove any weak spots and reinforce where I can. I'm thinking outside the box just a little bit on this one, and I really do appreciate the boys at Mauser Packaging Solutions, Craig, Toby, and Alden, who have had a lot of patience working with me. I wanted to use high carbon for this, but I couldn't find the proper steel. This is medium carbon 1045, and I think I can make it work. And they're really going at it, doing their weekly road rip-up out here, so if it's pretty loud in the background, well, you can see why. I need to give a big shout out to Anthony Smith, who recently purchased some tools and added quite a bit of extra to the total. Thanks, Anthony, for your support. It really goes a long way. So I have the tendency to top and bottom fuller a lot on my forging tongs, but I'm going to avoid that on this pair. I think putting the pivot back a little bit on this pair should increase the amount of pressure that would be needed to bend the handles. But they should still have enough leverage and so enough gripping power. Flattening in some areas like this should add some rigidity. the handles feel much more stiff. There's a little bit of spring to them, but they don't seem like they'll bend under pressure. So there it is. The folded back jaws may not be completely necessary, but looks pretty cool. Anyway, I'm hopeful that this will work for them. I've been using this knockoff WD-40 of late. You can see the can has all the usual bullet points like WD-40, but the spray mechanism is just much better on this. So I hope you've enjoyed this one. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll have much more content like this coming up for sure. Thanks to all the hard-working folks who support the channel, and I'll catch you guys next time.